Hello everyone.
I would like to ask you a mathematical question. There are two kinds of shapes in this figure. Now think about the circumference length of the figure. For example, if it is a square, it is 4 times one side. If it is a rectangle, it is twice the sum of the vertical length and horizontal length. So, question time. What is the circumference length of this figure? At first glance, you may be worried that you don't have enough information to solve this question. But if you think about it for a moment, you may find out the solution. Now, think for about 30 seconds. Let's go.
Let's look at the answer. If you add all the vertical length, you will get 10 mm length. Therefore, the total vertical length is 20 mm. Now, I'm explaining about the horizontal length. The length of the bottom side is 20 mm plus a little extra part. But let's bring that little part to the upper section. Then it will be connected like this. From this, we can see that total horizontal length is 6 mm. Therefore, a total of 80 mm is the answer. I hope explanation was clear. Thank you very much for watching.
Thank you.